Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you because there is a very good hiring for all of you from top startup, top edtech and fastest growing startup. Next Wave officially hiring through their off-campus hiring, and it is a work from home job opportunity. It is for the two role. There is a no coding skills is required, only the your communication skills and some language skills are required. No 60 percentage criteria, any degree, any branch can apply. Salary is 3 to 4.5 LPA. 22, 23, 21 graduates batch is eligible. Let's start the video. Before starting video, I have only mentioned that please like and share the video with your friends, because as we all know about that the applications are very limited in any hiring. Okay, so please apply as soon as possible. The hiring is on the official Next Wave platform, and that is related to the first opportunity is business development associate BDA remote opportunity, and the second opportunity is customer support executive remote. Okay, so the Next Wave is hiring to related, and they are working on some of the placement related program, and Next Wave learners have been hired by 1000 plus companies including Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Goldman Sachs. Okay, so this opportunity is for all. Okay, you have like you are ideal for this role if you are interested in guiding students with their career decision. You have proven experience of direct interaction with customer, and added advantage. Okay, if you have, so it will be an added advantage. It is not like a compulsory. You are looking for business development role, you are looking to work in the environment of high growth startup. What you will be doing, acting as a mentor and guide and being a source of career advisor. Okay, so what are we looking for? They are individual with excellent Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada communication skills, interpersonal ability and presentation skills. So they are just mentioned that you are native speakers of this four language in any one of the language. If you have proficiency in English will be advantage. Work from home currently 6 day per week. So when you fill your application, so you have to fill your name, middle name, last name, email, phone number, WhatsApp number, gender, date of birth, native language. Okay, kindly mention the language you know. If you know the Hindi, so the other language if you know like English, so you can mention your English proficiency. Occupation, if you are a student, if you are from 2023 batch and you have to willing to work for opportunity like related to business development associate, so you can easily apply for the opportunity, because they not mention in the form that it is for the graduates batch, it is for the all candidates, because they mention in the like related to form. If you are a student, you are a student. If you are a recent graduate, so you can mention recent graduate. If you are working professional, so you can mention college name. I want to receive update directly on WhatsApp, I am not a robot, and you have to click on submit application. The next hiring is related to customer support executive. It is also work from home job opportunity, but it is their requirement is should be fluent in English, excellent communication skills. 3 LPA is the salary, but when you apply for this form, so they are just asking about the degree. So most important point, like they are mentioning here degree, but currently pursuing are also there. So I suggest you to please apply for only one opportunity, because when you are applying for both two opportunities, so they not consider your application. So apply for only one opportunity. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.